Introduction. Online niche marketing is not new. It has been going on for several years, but only a small percentage of online marketers that try it are successful. While we cannot be specific about exactly why people fail, it is safe to say that mistakes are being made which are leading to niche website owners to give up. It is very likely that choosing the wrong niche is a contributing factor to the high levels of failure. Not getting enough traffic to a niche website is likely to be up there as well. So, in this guide, we will cover everything that you need to know to properly assess niche ideas for their viability and how to drive targeted traffic to your niche website. You may see people in the internet marketing space claim that this is no longer possible to make a good profit from niche marketing. This is not true. Not all niches are saturated. In fact, this is really an impossible thing to happen. Certainly, there is more competition these days, which means that you really have to be smart to succeed. If you follow the advice in this guide, then you will provide yourself with the maximum chance of success. Don't believe the hype. Niche marketing does work if you do it correctly. There are niche websites being sold every day for large amounts of money. These websites are generating regular income and have a good following. If niche marketing didn't work, then this situation wouldn't exist. So, if you prepare properly for niche marketing, then you have a very good chance of success. Other online marketers have been lazy and looked for shortcuts to niche marketing success. There are no shortcuts. You need to be prepared to roll up your sleeves and do the necessary research to dramatically improve your chances of success. Once you have created one profitable niche marketing site, you can create more.